It's Oladimiji Baye from becomeadatapro.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a very important task as a data professional, as a data analyst. Okay. When you're working with data, one of the most important things you're going to have to do or learn how to do is to extract data from all variety of sources. Okay. Data is going to come at you from different sources, okay, from CSV file format or, Excel file format or, scraping data from a website or even getting data from a PDF, okay. And in this example, we will be extracting data from a PDF. And as a product data professional, okay, I deal with this on a regular basis where I have to extract data from a brand's product manual guide, okay, and I have to take those data and put them in a usable format in a CSV file, for example, or an Excel file, okay. So, for example, if you have this simple, I created this by myself, just an example, this fake XYZ electronics brand, right? If you have this simple PDF and you need to extract this information, okay, and the tendency to get this data out will be to try to copy it. But think about the fact that if you have, I don't know, 10, 20, PDF pages like this, okay, if you're seeing, or if you decide, okay, I'm going to just copy and paste into Excel, it's very unprofessional and it's just is unproductive, okay. But the simplest way to extract data from a PDF is using Power Query, okay. Excel Power Query can help you do this comfortably, easily, okay, professionally. So that's what we're going to do. So instead of grabbing this and trying to copy everything, imagine having 10, 15, 20 pages and you have to grab everything. It's just not realistic. So what we will do, we'll go into Excel, open Excel. Let's go into a new sheet. We'll go into Power Query. That's a shortcut right there for you, for those who don't know. So then we go to new sources. Inside this new sources section here, it gives you different options. You can see this is the PDF section that we want to click on. And then we'll go into where everything is saved. Let me look where it's saved. There we go. Now this is, you locate the PDF, right? You click on it, you open, and then it's going to load up your, in Power Query for you and show you a preview of your data. It's going to show you something like this. This is not what we want. The table with data is exactly what we want. So what do we do? You click on that, click OK. And from here, once it's loaded, we can see it's instantly extracted the data for us. How many clicks did we have to do? Okay. It's so easy. It's so accurate as well. If you look at the data and you check yourself, if you go back to the PDF file, you can see everything is there, just as it is. But this, for some reason, it's left out. It's removed the zeros instantly, right? As you can see, if you notice it. What we can do, it's as simple as just click anywhere here in the rows, click Control A to select everything, right click here, then you want to change the data type to text, and that will bring back, click on replace current, that will bring back the zeros just as it is on the PDF for the manual guide. You see, as you can see, it's there. Okay, so don't fret if you realize that the zeros are gone. All you have to do is just change the date type to 0 to or text. And from here, sometimes at my job, I would want to, for example, these XYZ are brand prefixes. Okay, so what we're going to do here, our job isn't done yet. You want to separate the letters from the numbers. Remember, this column are the part numbers, okay, for the product. So all we have to do to separate these letters from the number is to go to add column tab here. Let's go to extract. Let's go to range. Actually, let's not go to it. Let's go to first characters. Let's make it easy on ourselves. Let's go to first characters and for the values in this column, as you can see, they are uniform. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 values in each of these rows here, right? So now that we know the length of the values in each column, all we have to do is just how many values do we want? How many the letters occupy 3 spaces, right? 1, 2, 3. So all we have to do is just 3. There we go. We've now, extracted the brand prefixes. So I'm going to change the column here, brand prefixes. And now we want to clean up this column. Remember, we only want the numbers here to represent the part numbers for the product. So all we have to do here is just right click on replace values, right? Replace values. Which values do we want to replace? X, Y, Z, dash. That's what we want to replace. And then we want to replace with what? With nothing. So we just click OK. And there you go, guys. As easy as that. Okay. In just a few steps, we've now removed the letters from these part numbers. Now they are accurate. And we've separated the brand prefixes as well into a new column to represent the brand prefixes for the brand product. And as you can see, even if you use if you go to the views and you turn on the column quality, which is, let me turn it off, back on, which is very, very good to have on when you're working with, data in Power Query. It will show you that there are no errors, there are no empty rows, and you can see that your data has been cleaned. And as simple as that. Remember, we started from a PDF, and now we have our table, okay? Or you can call them queries, okay? And as simple as that, all we can do now is just go back to home, close and load, and you can see the magic. Now we have our formatted table, as simple as possible. Imagine having 1,000 rows of data like that, or pages where you have to extract maybe 10, 20, 50, pages of PDF data. It will do it for you just like that, in a simple steps, instead of having to copy and paste, and looking unprofessional. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. That's how you do data extraction from a PDF and convert it into a usable form in Excel. Okay, and if you want to try it out yourselves, I'm going to leave this PDF. Like I said, I created this myself. It's just a simple one-page PDF with a fake brand product here, but I will leave this the link to this PDF for you if you want to download it just to practice on your own computer. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember, my name is Oladunji from becomeadatapro.com. Thanks so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.